How to fix captions on CapCut. So let's say some of the captions you wanted is not being displayed. So let's say there was a voice over here, but it didn't generate captions. In that case, what you need to do is make sure that the voice is clear. Sometimes CapCut can't recognize the voice, so make sure the voice on the part where there is no caption is correct and it is understandable. If it is not understandable, then CapCut is not going to create caption on top of it. It created caption everywhere but not here because the audio, it was not clear, so it did not understand it. So in that case, what you can do is just make a copy of the copy of the text. You can just click on the text and hold an Alt on the keyboard and drag it, and it's going to create a duplicate. Then you can just click on the caption and write whatever you want over here. So I'm going to turn it into "what's up" because that is basically what it is. So the software couldn't hear it, so I added manually. So you can fix it like this as well. Otherwise, you can just fix the audio over here to make sure it's clear. That's how you guys can fix the caption issue. Just subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.